gonna make a full video of this process, and I recorded it, and my camera appears to be possessed by something and stopped. So I'm not gonna make that video again, but I'm gonna show you my work here so you can follow it. The thing I want you to notice, and I think most of you are getting pretty good at truth tables, is the things that I circled here. So what I do is break this down into parts, and I find out it doesn't have to go boom, boom, boom all the way over. So you can see I circled, there's the final result for this. And then I have a final result for this whole middle section here goes along with that. So that's that result. And then the P or R is here, because all three are being paired up using AND. Okay, so we have this one, and this one being compared with the AND symbol. And so anything that's all three are true is true. So the only ones that are true are right here. We got true, true, true. So you get your final column. This is the one that's similar to the exit ticket we did in my class. So break down the bigger ones into smaller pieces. And I use, it's like a Sudoku puzzle, I use little tiny notation here that eventually I go and you can get rid of that, and then it looks like you kind of did it in your head. So this whole part right here ends up being that step. These are all just working to get there. Okay, so for the one on the bottom, same thing, same kind of idea. So I have a not P implies Q, where this is my workspace, but this is my final answer there. So I don't even really, I use those to get this. So there's the not P implies Q, or, and then I had a space for the P or P and not R. That's this one. If you notice, I wrote the P and the not R, and this is the answer that goes with it. And then that implies, or excuse me, the if and only if Q. So I put the Q over here, and then anytime they're both true or both false, they're true. Okay, so the final comparison is really between this column and what I got here using OR. So this ends up being a tautology. Sorry you didn't get the full on video explanation, but I think that should be enough. If you go back and try to do step or two and pause it and play, you should be good.